A big day of change ahead, an impact weather day, and the quietest weather really now through the morning rush hour before things really start to ramp up with the wind and the cold air knocking down those temperatures. So we've got wind advisories, high wind warnings in effect all day, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Wind advisory, those gusts up to 50 miles per hour. High wind warning areas, greater potential to see some of those gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. Now, the Omaha Metro in effect at 6 a.m. The strongest winds likely arrive 9 a.m. and then will stick around through around 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. So get ready for quite a bit of wind today and drastically different feel by the afternoon. This is a forecast wind gust by 7 a.m. starting to ramp up with that Arctic frontal passage up near Norfolk. We'll really start to see the wind increase here around the metro as we get closer to 9 o'clock. You can see some of those gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour, already 50 plus out toward Norfolk by noon. Widespread 45 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts. Again, isolated spots. Could see some of those gusts up to 60 miles per hour. We'll keep that driving northwest wind as we continue into the evening rush hour. So still going to be a brutal crosswind across I-80 for eastern Nebraska, southwest Iowa, and it's not until later tonight we'll finally see that wind relax. But as that wind ramps up, it'll bring a shot of colder air with it. So temperatures now, the warmest they'll be throughout the day, upper 30s, low 40s. The quietest weather through the morning drive, though, the road's still going to be damp from the overnight rain showers. And then look at the sharp drop-off. By noon, we could have those temperatures in the 20s. Feels like temperatures in the teens. Continue to see those temperatures drop. So by the time kiddos head home from school, you head home from work, could have temperatures in the 20s. Feels like temperatures in the single digits. So make sure you head out with the winter jacket today. Rain showers on the way out. That Arctic front moving across the South Dakota border on its way our way. You can see after some steadier rain overnight, starting to wrap up most of eastern Nebraska, west of Omaha. Still some light showers down toward Beatrice, Nebraska City. Super Doppler 7 radar showing the back edge of that rain now pushing through Pottawatomie, Mills County. So drying up now in the Omaha Metro, but roadways still damp as the morning drive will start to pick up as we look over Blair High Road and I-680. Temperature now mild, 41 degrees, but still a bit of a north breeze. Feels like 31 at last check at Eppley Airfield. So you can see those temperatures for the most part in the lower 40s, upper 30s. The colder air still lurking off to the north. On the back edge of that rain, seeing that wind gust 30 to 40 miles per hour. You can see likely a lull that will move into the metro area here over the next couple hours before those winds really start to crank up. So here's Storm Predictor 7 o'clock. The rain is done. Fairly quiet conditions relative to the rest of the day as we get into the morning rush hour. Arctic front arrives 9 a.m. The wind ramps up and those temperatures plummet into the 20s by noon. Have to really watch for some wind-driven flurries and possibly some quick bursts of light snow up toward Denison, Carroll, Audubon. Could see a quick dusting there. Maybe a stray flurry here in Omaha. Otherwise, we'll keep those clouds around. The wind keeps up. By tomorrow morning, the wind will calm down. Temperatures in the teens. A cold start, but then we get the south breeze and sunshine, and we'll be back in the mid-40s by Friday afternoon. So just a quick shot of cold. And then look at this stretch into Christmas. Dry, mild, 40s, and then 50s as we head into next week.